In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a gaming portfolio website with Wix AI 2026. We'll move step by step so you can go from a blank account to a polished, gamer-focused profile that's ready to share. Start by heading to your Wix dashboard. If you already have an account, log in to reach the main launchpad. If you're brand new, a quick free signup will bring you to the same place. The dashboard is your command center, and everything we need begins here. Next, look to the top left corner for the drop-down menu and choose Create New Site. On the setup screen, select Start Chat. This opens the Wix AI Site Assistant, which will ask a few guided questions and then build a tailored site for you. When the AI asks what kind of site you want, type, "I want to make a personal profile website." That phrasing signals the assistant to prioritize your personal brand, about sections, a focused homepage, and a layout that highlights you rather than a store or corporate look. It ensures your story and accomplishments are front and center. When prompted for a name or brand, enter Caro. Using a consistent alias helps the AI weave your handle into headers, titles, and callouts, creating a unified identity across pages. If you ever change your alias later, you can update it once and carry it through the site. Tell the assistant the site is about gaming. This choice pushes the design toward bold colors, energetic typography, and layout elements that feel at home with esports, streaming, and competitive play. Don't worry if the palette isn't perfect at first. You can fine-tune styles in the editor afterward. To showcase your content, specify providing video walkthrough. This tells the AI to include dedicated video galleries and sections made for gameplay guides and playthroughs. These areas are structured to keep episodes, levels, or series easy to browse, helping your audience find what they need fast. Once the chat wraps up, the AI generates your site. Click Go to Dashboard to review what it built. You'll see a ready-to-edit structure with navigation, responsive layouts, and content placeholders already in place. Take a moment to preview both desktop and mobile so your clips, thumbnails, and headings look sharp everywhere. Replace sample text with your bio, key achievements, and links to platforms you use. When you're satisfied, jump into the editor for any minor tweaks or simply click Publish to send your gaming profile live right away. You can always return to make updates as your library grows. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.